How to import photos in Meitu. First of all, open the app and tap on the photo section on the main screen. This will take you to your photo library. From here, select the photo you want to edit. You can choose images from your device library, camera roll or any saved folder. Once selected, the photo will open in Meitu's editing interface where you can apply filters, beauty effect, collage layout, and other creative tools. Importing photos in Meitu ensures you can quickly access and enhance your images, save them with high quality, and create stunning edit. By regularly importing your favorite pictures, you can make full use of Meitu's features like template, stickers, and premium tools for a professional and creative editing experience. Now you know how to import photos into Meitu. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.